2017 GLE63 AMG, W166 for the Mercedes guys. Car's got 45,000 miles. Customer came in with a code in his car. Yes, we had to do a diagnostic. 153513, or a 351F code, which is a suspension issue. As you can see, the electronic rear dampening shock absorber. And the reason why it's out of the car is he had it replaced, but it didn't fix the problem. The problem was, after doing a pinpoint diagnostic, and yes, you should pay for that, is the harness actually was no good. And you can see here the pins rotting away, and no, they can't be cleaned because inside the harness you can't clean. Impossible. So we're going to replace it with, yes, a factory part. We're going to clear the code, and then we're going to confirm our repair, one of my famous 4 C's. Any questions, any comments? You know where to find us, baydiagnostic.com.